right. So you have Hrithik Roshan's father and Hrithik Roshan himself who casting their vote. Hrithik Roshan's family, his sister also visible there. Rakesh Roshan, his two children, casting their vote today at 1:12 p.m. precisely. Well, it's a star-studded affair in Mumbai, but what a tragedy. We're seeing not many of them actually casting their vote in Mumbai. Only film stars we're seeing doing their duty. What happens to the rest of the Janta? One would really believe that they would follow their superstars' footsteps, but doesn't seem to be the trend at all in Mumbai. As per Vidya, who's with us, tells us that the stars are doing their responsibility. They're committing to voting today, but we're not seeing the same trend among the larger sections of Mumbai, especially the South Mumbai that she pointed out. It has the lowest voter turnout as of 11 a.m. Let's just hope the numbers pick up. Now, there you have it, Hrithik Roshan casting his vote. Today is a very important day. You've got to exercise your franchise. If not, as many of them rightly say, you have no right to complain. You cannot expect from the country and the leadership. You cannot complain on what's been given to you. This is the only time you can exercise your franchise and have some control in what you want and how you envision this country. There you have it, the Roshan family, Hrithik Roshan, his father Rakesh Roshan, mother and sister casting their vote in Mumbai today. In the meanwhile, while they get to the media there, let's hope they do speak. All right.
Come out in large numbers, a vote appeal to themselves.
Study the candidates before you vote. Know what you're voting for.
Thank you.
तुम आए क्या जा रहे हो? सर
All right. Know your candidate before you vote. Vote for what you want. Hrithik Roshan, who briefly spoke to the media just as he stepped out. We're going to try and play that out for you yet again if we have it. Hrithik Roshan, his father, Rakesh Roshan, casting their vote at 1 p.m. Well, this is certainly a wake-up call for Mumbaikars. It's already 1 p.m. If you haven't yet already, do come out and exercise your franchise. Mumbai voter turnout has often been dismal. Let's hope, Mumbaikars, you do change it this time. Down under on the scroll there below, we're showing you images of Akshay Kumar, who cast his vote for the first time after he gave up his Canadian citizenship. You also have Janhvi Kapoor, who came up nice and early as well this morning, cast her vote. Farhad Akhtar, Zoya Akhtar, the Akhtar family itself voted right in the morning. And then you had several other stars like Anil Kapoor, Sunil Shetty, Govinda. Well, these are responsible citizens who've done their bit. Let's just hope the rest of Mumbai follows suit. If we do have our correspondents, Hisha and Vidya, if we could patch them for a moment. But in the meanwhile, we know that 13 seats in Maharashtra are going to polls today, out of which 6 of them from Mumbai specifically. And these are the images of all the stars that we're bringing to you. Certainly a star-studded affair in Mumbai right in the morning.